Hi, I'm Magnus. The past weeks I've been more and more annoyed about how my camera connects to my tripod. So, up next, how I address that issue.
The quick connection plate that mounts on the camera is the issue for me. It's blocking the hatch for the battery and the memory card. This means that I have to unscrew the quick connection plate every time I want to access either the memory card or the battery, which is quite often. So I started by tracing the shape of the camera on a piece of paper and found a piece of scrap that would fit. I ripped the piece to width and cut it to length. I then transferred the placement of where to mount it to the camera. Then I could measure where to make the recess for the battery hatch. I drilled 4 holes in the corners and used my scroll saw to connect the holes. Some fine adjustments with a rasp and then checking the fit. Then it was time to find the placement of the quick connection plates. This hole had to be tapped for a 1/4-inch screw, but because I'm living in the metric parted world, I didn't have a 1/4-inch tap, so I made one. If you're interested in how I made it, there's a link up on the right. To make it easier to detach, I rounded all the edges. Then it was time to try it out. I hadn't taken into account the release lever on the tripod, and this was interfering with the bolt that holds the camera. Easy fix though, just to move the quick connection plate slightly. Then it worked like a charm. Thanks for watching!